Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to another video of Legal Gurukul. 100 kilometers per hour speed limit for cars on national highways cleared. Yes, you heard it right. The Highway Ministry has approved increasing the speed limit of cars plying on national highway from the existing 80 kilometers per hour to 100 kilometers per hour. On expressways, the maximum permissible limit for cars will be 120 km per hour. Road Transport Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari approved the maximum speed limits on Wednesday, that is 7th of February 2018, and a notification will be soon out. The minister has also reportedly approved putting in a device like electronic control unit which will not allow vehicles to go at a very high speed. The idea is to end the installation of external devices like speed governors, considering that there have been several complaints about monopoly of a few players. It is rightly said, technology can solve that problem of speeding. As per the decision, two-wheelers will be allowed to ply at a maximum speed of 80 km per hour on highway and expressways, 90 km per hour for trucks and buses on the expressway, and 80 km per hour on national highways. The state and local authorities, including the traffic police, will decide the speed limit for state and local roads, which will be much less than the limit set for the national highways. Union government revises speed limit from time to time as the road infrastructure improves. While increasing the speed limit may be just an official procedure, people often drive at more than 120-130 km per hour, and there is hardly any enforcement of speeding on national highways. So guys, have a safe journey. Thanks a lot friends. Keep good health. See you next time. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.